Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Glide support ticket app with automated replies step by step clearly. Open your device's App Store. For Android, go to the Google Play Store. For iOS, visit the Apple App Store. In the search bar, type Glide support ticket app. Press the search button. Look for the application in the search results. Make sure it's developed by Glide. Tap on the app icon to view more details. Click the Install button to download the app. Wait for the app to download and install. Once installed, open the Glide support ticket app. You will see an introductory screen. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your account. Enter your email address and create a password. Verify your email if prompted. After logging in, navigate to the Settings menu. Look for the Automated Replies option. Select Automated Replies to configure this feature. Turn on Automated Replies by toggling the switch. Customize your automated reply message. Save your changes to apply the automated replies. You are now ready to use the Glide support ticket app with automated replies enabled. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.